Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you how to make over $1,000 per month on YouTube. I've sort of drawn a little bit of an outline over here to use as a guide for this video, so I'll be going over each of the aspects and telling you exactly how you can make over $1,000 a month on YouTube. Now these numbers, although they're real concrete numbers, they're all estimates and guidelines. Things can be much higher or much lower than these numbers, so you'll have to use these just as a guideline. Let's get right to it. So for a video that is on YouTube, it will earn about $2 for every 1,000 views in advertising revenue for the creator. So the creator will earn about $2 for every 1,000 views on that video. Now, once again, this is sort of an average to work with. Things can be much higher or lower. Those 1,000 views can earn way more than $2. They can also earn way less than $2. So this is just a guideline to work with. So with that being said, you will need 500,000 views per month to make $1,000 per month on YouTube. Now, the reason for that is that there are 500 units of 1,000 in 500,000. And if each unit is worth $2 times 500 equals $1,000 per month. So the question is no longer how do I make $1,000 a month on YouTube? It's pretty much how can I get 500,000 views per month on YouTube, because that will lead to $1,000 per month. And once again, these are just guideline numbers. Maybe much more than that, and maybe much less. You know, people can earn money on YouTube in many more ways other than strictly advertising revenue. So this is just one aspect of the entire pie, one slice of the entire pie. So with that being said, now the goal is to get 500,000 views per month. So I wrote a little statement here. If each video gets 2,000 views per month, you will need 250 videos to reach 500,000 views per month. Now, some videos will get way more than 2,000 views a month. Some videos will get way less than 2,000 views a month. All that I'm saying by this is that if you work hard and target your videos towards specific keyword phrases that will allow them to get organic daily views, you can have an average of 2,000 views per month per video, okay? So meaning some videos may get more, some videos may get less, but if you play your cards right, you can work your way up to this average of releasing a video, and on average, it will earn 2,000 views per month. Like I said, some might be more, some might be less. This is just an average. So with that being said, 250 videos really isn't that much. It may seem like a lot now if you're starting at zero, but if you do a video per day, in about 8 months, you'll have 250 videos, okay, in your library on your YouTube channel. And with that being said, if you can have those 250 videos, why can't you have 500 videos and earn $2,000 a month? Why can't you have 1,000 videos and earn $4,000 a month, 2,000 videos and earn $8,000 a month? It's all possible. The purpose of this video is to give you some numbers to work with and not just keep it as a simple statement of if you want to earn $1,000 per month on YouTube, you have to release a lot of videos. I wanted to use some numbers that are sort of guidelines that I use when I'm explaining YouTube stuff, and I used those numbers and broke it down into some concrete numbers. So once again, these are guidelines. Some people earn $1,000 per month with 3 videos, and for others, it takes 5,000 videos to get to $1,000 per month. It all depends on so many different factors, but these are guidelines. 1,000 views, about $2. 500,000 views will equal $1,000 a month. And if a video will get you 2,000 views per month on average, then you need 250 videos to get to 500,000 views per month, which will lead to $1,000 a month. So that's basically it. In this video, I've told you how to make over $1,000 per month on YouTube. Once again, these are just rough averages and guidelines, okay? These numbers can be way higher, way lower, or spot on. It all depends on so many different factors. But the point is that if you work hard, you put content out there, and you do the right things with that content, then you will get to $1,000 per month before you know it. It's possible. I promise you, you can do it. And that's basically it. I really hope that you have enjoyed this video. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.